Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can create a multilingual chatbot. So let's get started. First, choose a no-code chatbot platform that makes it easy to build bots without coding and supports multiple languages. If you're not sure which one to pick, you can start with Whatnot, just sign up and you're ready to begin. Then, go to the Bot Builder section to design your chatbot flow. This flow decides how your bot will interact with users across different languages. To keep it simple, use the agent action block and write a multilingual friendly prompt. You can also add exit routes like human handoff or language not supported so users are guided properly when the bot can't handle the request. After that, focus on creating a multilingual knowledge base. Upload help articles, facts, and documents in all the languages you want your bot to support. If your help center already provides localized versions, connect those so the bot can answer from the correct language source. Finally, test your chatbot thoroughly in every supported language. Check for accuracy, tone, and natural flow of conversation. Once everything looks good, publish the chatbot on your website or messaging channels. This way, your users can get support in the language they're most comfortable with. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like, subscribe.